here with Marquise. He's about to get his spine adjusted. Marquise was in an accident a couple of weeks ago with some spinal pain. He's got a nice restriction here that's putting pressure on that exiting nerve. So we're going to go ahead and release that mid-back area, also known as the thoracic spine. Is that okay with you, Marquise?
Yeah.
All right. How about a thumbs up for the camera? Thumbs up. All right. Big breath in for me, sir. And let it out. Good. Excellent. One more. Beautiful. All right. We're going to get that lower back moving now. Let's go ahead and get that right side up. All right. Now time to get Marquise's lower back adjusted here. Pretty injured after his car accident, feeling some lower back pain. So we're going to go ahead and release that area right down here. Big breath in for me, Marquise, and let it out. Good. And just breathe. Excellent. Other side. All right, on to the next side of Marquise's spine here. Let's go ahead and get that lower back adjusted. Big breath in, Marquise, and let it out. We're going to get that lower back moving here. Wow. That was a good one. Nice. All right. Very good, sir.